Hello guys, we are talking about Realme 3 Pro. Realme has been putting out phones at least every other month, and in less than a year the company's portfolio has grown to 9 devices. It's the latest one we have here today. The Pro moniker carries a lot of meaning here. It's not just some extra RAM or storage. Body, multi-layer plastic back, polycarbonate frame, Gorilla Glass 5 front, 156.8 x 74.2 x 8.3 mm, screen, 6.3 inch. 19.5:9 aspect, 1080 x 2340 px resolution. Rear camera, primary 16 megapixel f/1.7 lens, secondary 5 megapixel depth sensor, LED flash, 2160 at 30 fps video recording. Front camera, 25 MP f/2.0, 1080p at 30 fps video recording. Chipset, Snapdragon 710, octa-core CPU, 2x2.2 GHz 360 gold and 6x 1.7 GHz Creo 360 silver, 8 Adreno 616, memory, 464 GB, 664 GB, and 6 128 GB RAM/storage versions, dedicated microSD slot for up to 256 GB expansion. OS, Android 9 Pie. Color OS 6.0 on top. Battery, 4045 mAh, 20W volt charging.